Hi, I'm Josh and this is How to Fix It Workshop. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to clean your bathroom exhaust fan. It's something that I think that every homeowner should be aware of. There's all kinds of dust and dirt and hair and everything else that's going to fly around if you have one of these in your bathroom. And it's a good practice to get into, just preventative maintenance, to pull this cover off there, make sure everything is functioning properly. We're going to help your fan run a lot more efficiently, pull that moisture out of the air and anything else that you want to get rid of out of the bathroom. So let me show you how I'm going to clean mine real quick. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is pull the cover down. Already you can see all the dust is floating around underneath here. And press these two springs and pull it down. There's all kinds of hair and dirt, dust kind of build up all over the inside of this cover, so I'm going to set this to the side for just a moment. I'm going to get a vacuum. And once that dries, we'll hang it back up in the ceiling. Now with the cover all dry, I've put it back on and hopefully the fan will run more efficiently, and also it looks a lot cleaner too. I don't have any more dust or any kind of buildup on the outside or just inside hanging down. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.